This is the last day of Vlogmas, and it's what I got for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Cheraye. I'm doing this Vlogmas style. I really have on my full set of PJs. Kept them on, beat the face though, of course. It is Christmas. I may not be going outside. Hold on. Might be too far away. I might have to bring you guys in a little bit. All right. So, anyhow, family's coming over and I'm gonna be cooking. Nothing extravagant. Anyway, thank you guys so very much and wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's, although I will have videos up before New Year's. But I just wanted to say thank you so much. This was my first year doing Vlogmas and I could have not done it without you guys tuning in, watching, and just supporting the channel. So thank you so much for that. I truly appreciate you. We all know that this time of year is such a blessing to be able to give, and it's a blessing to be able to receive. So I thought I'd share a few of my gifts with you. I keep seeing all these what I got for Christmas. I don't think I've ever done a what I got for Christmas. I don't know, maybe I have. I can't remember. But I thought I'd share a few of the gifts that I did get with you for Christmas, because if you follow me on Instagram, you knew that was coming. And if you haven't, then follow me on Instagram and smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I love to have you join the team. So many amazing, new, fun, and exciting things coming in 2020 for the channel. So that's like a, you know, just a shout out for that. Look for the channel, more to come. And what else did I want to share with you guys? I don't know, let's just get into what I got. I thought it would be so appropriate, of course, if I shared with you guys what I got for Christmas in the realm of a fragrance. What fragrance do you think I got for Christmas? I'm telling you right now, oh, I would be fibbing if I said that. Okay, but the one that I'm sharing today is not an MFK one, okay? It is not an MFK one. This one has been on my wish list for a long time. I finally got it. And then I'll share a few other things. I'm not going to say who the gifts are from or blah, 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 because I just feel like, why? I'm just going to show you what I got. Yeah, and I don't know, though. I don't have a particular, you know, way this video is going to go. You know I'm going to be talking, though, so that's going to be it. But you guys, you know I got a ton of stuff from Chanel. I do want to share with you guys a new brand. Well, it's not a new brand. I was speaking about this brand last year, if you watched the channel last year, and I was really contemplating, like, am I really going over there? I keep finding myself drawn to their stuff. I just ordered one piece to see how I would like it, if it was really me, and oh my god, you guys, it is so me. If you follow the Instagram, you already know what it is. But let's get into what I got from Chanel. All the packaging was super pretty, so I was so excited about that. I can't wait for this holiday packaging. I'm going to take it out. Of course, I'm going to hold on to it. Look at this, and they wrapped everything so gorgeously. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to take a whole lot of time because you guys know all I want to do is open it. But I am going to save this holiday packaging. I love holiday packaging. I don't know why. Are you guys like that as well? So inside of this beautiful holiday packaging, this is from Chanel Beauty. You're always able to tell Chanel Beauty because of the color of the bags. They are black and white, or I should say more white, and then we all know that the other ones are more black. So this cute little pouch that came, it says Chanel there. I'll go back and do something in detail. It has this beautiful little gold lining detail going around it. Gold zipper. It has a nice little gold metal hardware that also says the double C's on there. And inside of here, you guys, you just receive like 3 lippies inside of your cute Chanel pouch, and they're all ones that I have. I will come back and do more of a, you know, in-depth, but because we'll be here all day if I kept doing it. But I did have a beautiful pink one in there, and it has the gold one in there, the beautiful pink, the beautiful gold, and then there is another color. There's more of like a mauve gold. So these are the 3 that it came with here. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love those colors. They look so good for a nude lip. Probably going to be going away in a couple of weeks, and I can't wait to bring this with me as a little travel. May even take it down to the lounge with me as a little clutch, you know. And it's gold too. Absolutely love it. Okay, Cheraye, I'm just going to show you guys a fragrance, okay? Because we can be here for a time, okay? So we're not going to do that. Look at this. Okay, gorgeous. Oh, it's fabulous, darling. I absolutely love it. Chanel makes me so happy. But Chanel, I'm sorry, the customer service the other day at the Rodale store, one week it was amazing. It was great. It was fabulous. I was on the 2nd floor, shoe department. Went down to the 1st floor last weekend, and it was like, was it last weekend? Yeah, last weekend. And I'm like, hello, what is going on? So I don't know. My husband said he doesn't want to go back to Chanel. My guy's like, no, let's only go to the ones that, you know, we really get great customer service at. So I don't know. More to come on that story. But this is a fragrance. I'm so excited, you guys. I love this fragrance. You know I love Chanel fragrances. If you are a Chanel lover, if you love Chanel fragrances, hit the like button. if you own Chanel fragrances, make sure you subscribe to the channel. She loves Chanel. But this is from the Les Exclusive. Did I say that right? The Les Exclusive line of fragrance, and it's just so good. I'm really liking doing these videos vlog style. I don't know, it just seems like, it just seems fun. Okay, that just, I don't know. I really like it. I always tell you guys, wait, did I open that right? Cheraye, you did not open this right. So it looks like this. This is a 2.5 fluid ounce, 75 ml here. I always tell you guys I go with the smallest bottle because I already have a ton of fragrances. I probably will not get through all of them. So to me, it doesn't make sense to go for a big bottle and it just sits there. I always give my fragrances like 2.5, 3 years max. That's pushing it to hold on to in my collection before time it needs to be replaced. I just feel that fragrances do have an expiration date. Okay, believe it or not, they have an expiration date. You can store them in dry places, dark place. Okay, we're not here for all that, Cheraye. Just show us the fragrance, you guys. This is what I got. More to come on that. If you want to know, just hit the subscribe button. Everything is hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Okay, so this is it, and it is called Sycamore. This, am I saying it? Sycamore. There's a whole story, a whole meaning behind this fragrance, you guys. That's it. Chanel Sycamore. Full detailed review coming on this. I don't have any fragrance on today. This is going to be the spray fragrance of choice. Oh, yes. Oh my God, it makes me feel so fancy. I feel so fancy. I absolutely love it. So that I'll be adding to my Chanel collection. I'm only a few away from completing it. Oh my gosh, that is good. Oh, it's good. Okay. I move on. If I could, you guys, you know I can't stay focused. Okay, I'm a little all over the place. Bear with me. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Lord. Merry Christmas. Okay, so then I was telling you guys, where am I at? God, I don't even know. Okay, so that's that. We'll have more from that at another time. But you guys, we can't be here all day. I have to get downstairs and start cooking, okay? But I did want to make sure that I said thank you to you for checking out the vlogs. Thank you for checking out what I got for Christmas. Just thank you for supporting my content. It means a lot and you are truly appreciated. So remember I told you I went to the Louis Vuitton event the other night, right? Thursday, Friday, I don't know. One of the nights I went and I told you I had to get something from the holiday packaging. Some of you are so amazing. You were like, girl, you should get that. You should get that. I believe she got that. And you were right. I thought it would go great in my collection, being the fact that my collection is basically all nudes, blacks, whites, taupes, beige, you know. Just that's my collection. So here it is, came here packed in this, and then you just open it. And I didn't know that they would give you a dust thing with this, a dust cloth with this, you know what I mean? I just thought that it would come in a box, but I guess they had to put it in something. And this is it. You've seen this. If you watch my Louis Vuitton vlog, you already seen this. I will show you how I'm going to style this, how I'm going to utilize it and everything like that. It'll probably be on my Instagram, but I don't know if they call this a twilly or anything like that, you guys, but it is simply gorgeous. I feel it's going to match very well in my wardrobe. Okay, darling, I cannot wait. Oh, she should just put this on right now. Excuse you, hello? A white crisp shirt, nice little stud earrings like the ones I'm wearing today, you know? And then just have this come down with it will be doing too much if I put a blazer on with it and some tight skinny jeans and then some kitten heel boots. Yes, I said kitten heel. Anyways, you guys, so this is this and I absolutely love it. Moving on back to what I was saying because I digressed. Now I'm coming back to the brand that I told you that I was absolutely falling in love with. Okay, I was absolutely falling in love with it, but I really wanted to take my time to see if that's the route that I really wanted to go. I have taken my time, I have taken the route, and I found out that I do want to go there. But before I show you that, let me show you this. You guys, how cute are these PJs? You know, I told you I was finding the cutest PJs over at the Marshalls. You know what I mean? Look at these. How cute are these? Cute little, right? I could have gone for these today. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyhow, these were cute. And it comes with the pants to them as well. I just thought these were really cute. I'm the kind of girl that loves a cute set of PJs. I just think that you go to bed looking fabulous, you wake up feeling fabulous. I don't know, it could be all in my head, but that's what I tell myself. Smell fabulous, look fabulous, wake up feeling fabulous. All right, you could take that. Chanel did give me a ton of samples. Some other bags here, you guys. But look at this packaging. I'm getting back to the story I'm telling you about the other brand that I have found that I have loved. But look at this packaging. Can you see that? How gorgeous is that Chanel packaging, right? And this is what is in here. You know what? I could use this as something. You know me. I'll find a way to use it. I absolutely love it. So inside of here, if you watch me on Instagram, hello, if you watch my Insta stories, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is. This is the Chanel number 5. So if you follow my Instagram, you've already seen this. This is the Chanel Sparkling Body Oil, and this is going to be so good. It's like a body gel. It like sticks to your body. It's more like a gel, and I'm going to douse this all over my body on New Year's Eve, okay? And I'll tell you about the dress that I'm going to wear as soon as I find one. And then I'm going to have shimmer everywhere. So I love this. And it doesn't really smell like Chanel number 5. It's a lot lighter, but it's really, really nice. And I absolutely love it. And then, okay, now let's go, because this is it. And then I got to get out of here. So then this here is the new brand that I actually fell in love with it, and this is Versace or Versace or Versace or Versace. I mean, whatever you feel like saying. Okay, that's what it is. I was telling you guys, or I don't know if I was telling you guys, or I don't know if I was telling the people on Instagram or Snapchat. Follow me on all 3. That way you never miss anything, because she's always somewhere, one of those talking. I'm just saying. These I wanted, the slippers. Why? I don't know. And I absolutely love these. I think these are awesome, and they are a fabulous Christmas gift. Although Christmas is over, maybe you haven't seen the person that you're gonna get something and you didn't have an idea of what to get them. If they are like me and they like extra and they like Versace and they like bold and loud and gold and fun, they would probably like something like this. So I don't know, but these are what I picked up. I love these, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already know this is not gonna fit in the frame. Let's just slide it out. I can't. No assistant today, guys. No assistant today. The box just says Versace home, and inside would be, you seen this. You remember what color I got? I changed my mind at the last minute. Oh, look at that. I went with the yellow one, you guys. I went with the yellow one. It's simply gorgeous. It is the classic Versace bathrobe. You know why I got those slippers now? Because they match my robe. And I absolutely love it. Oh God, this is gonna be so comfy, because it's cold right now, and I got it kind of oversized so that I can use it as a blanket when I'm laying on the couch Netflixing and chilling and watching All American and all the other shows that need to hurry up and come back, okay? Because I have no TV to watch, although I really haven't had any time to watch TV. I've been too busy watching YouTube. What else is new? But yeah, so this is gonna make for a great oversized, you know, robe, blanket to lay on the couch, cuddle, chill. I've wanted this for almost 3-4 years now. And I just kept telling myself, no, 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 no. And I really didn't have my eyes set on anything really hugely for Christmas, or anything to say, not just Christmas. And then my husband's like, why don't you just get it? You've been wanting that forever. That's all you've been talking about. Just do it. And so I did it. There's that. Okay, another thing, because, you know, I showed you guys, this is my first time ever having a package from, remember I was telling you guys this during the candle vlog, from Larissa Via Roma. I'm probably saying that wrong. Somebody will correct me. They always do. Larissa Via Roma. If that's not how you say it, there's no disrespect intended. I just don't know how to say it. Okay, so that was that. I never had anything from them, but this is how it came packaged. Came with a nice little ribbon, came with some tissue paper, you know, the standard, the normal. I wanted this. I told you guys, when I like something, I like it. And I'm really liking this brand right now. Versace, Versace, Versace. I can't help but say that every time I look at it. This is a beautiful scarf. Again, I got it because I think it's going to go so well in my collection to drape over, to use as a shirt. Excuse you. You know, because I'm good for a black jacket or black cape coat, you already know, and just drape something like this. Oh, can you guys even see it? This is a mess. But yeah, right? To just drape something over you like this. I might even make a shirt out of it, but I am absolutely loving this. I love this color. You always want to get a color palette that meshes well with your skin, and when I did the like what kind of colors match well with my skin, I'm more of a jewel tone. So jewel tones, reds, pink, like vibrant colors, and they kind of match my personality too. So it's just like, oh, it's just good, good, good all the way around. Okay, I might even make like a little bit of a, hello? It's kind of cute too, right? I could do this. I could even make a nice, I'm not good with hair stuff, you know what I mean, with putting hair accessories on, but that could be a look too. That, excuse you, that could kind of be a look too. Just saying, many different things I have for this that I'm gonna deal with it. And then this one, this little cute thing right here. It's so tiny. You guys know I was saying over the last few years I have totally just been loving micro mini bags. Not that micro, not that kind. I'm just saying, I can't fit anything in it, not even a quarter, so it's okay. I've already took it out and I have looked at it and everything like that, and this is it. How cute is this? Little cute tiny bag. It's so cute. You guys, I left all this stuff on because I wanted to make sure that I can see what fits inside and make sure that I'm going to want to keep it. And guess what? Everything fits inside just as I would want it to. It holds the necessities, it holds everything like that, so I'm able to keep it and rock it probably on New Year's Eve. I don't know yet. Inside, I'll come back and do a whole inside whatever, you know. We don't have time for all that. We got to go. Everybody's got company over. You got friends here, family, people want coffee, dessert. It's now time for the second plate. I mean, I don't know. I don't really eat that much on Christmas. Thanksgiving is a holiday to eat. On Christmas, we just hang out and just have tons of fun. Probably gonna watch the game, you know. But this is it. I absolutely love this. That is it. I'm done. Those were some of the gifts that I received for Christmas. I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful. I know that, you know, this is all means nothing. I mean, it definitely makes me happy. It definitely makes most of us happy. I mean, this is a luxury channel. It's a luxury community. I mean, you tune in for that. If this was your first time tuning in, hopefully you hit the subscribe button because you have found, you know, your niche of people here too. If not, I understand that as well, but it is a luxury channel. I do love sharing. I oftentimes cannot do a video like this and not tell you guys my story and my background. This was not, you know, the case. This wasn't born and raised into. There was no life of this, no life of luxury. I prayed, you know, as we all do, and, you know, life happens and you work hard and you do what you're supposed to do and you do what you have to do so that at the end of the day, you can do what you want to do. And that's just the model that we live by over here. And so, you know, I don't know. I just got to let it go right there because I could get all deep and go all there. But if you know, you know. And if you know me, then you know that this was just sharing. It's not to be, you do have to do these kind of disclaimers, you guys, you do, because somebody will become mean for you. And that's why I was just thinking, like, do I really want to do this? But that's what I wanted to share. I mean, that's what it is. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, for the 1500th time, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, you guys. Vlogmas has been real. I will see you guys in another video. Also too, you guys, we did not finish the advent calendar. We had a few days left of the advent calendar. We were here. Let's finish it. I can't stand not finishing stuff. Inside of the 9, 10, 11, 12. Inside of the 9th drawer was a body, no it wasn't. It's an Instant Beauty Soft Flash Focusing Cream. This is supposed to make you look amazing when you are taking selfies and you are taking pictures. It's supposed to hide your pores, makes you glow. It's a soft flash focus. This is supposed to be almost like an Instagram filter, okay? That's drawer number 9. Drawer number 10 had a nice eyeliner in it. It was chocolate. I'm wearing it today, and it's really nice and great. I'll come back and do a detailed review on it. And drawer number 11, which was yesterday, that I forgot to put it in, which was in here. This is a multi-miracle glow. So this is a cleanser, a mask for your face to help your skin look radiant and beautiful and help with pores, to give you a baby fresh face. Okay, so I need to try that. I'm looking for a face like that. And this in here was a mascara, and I am using it today. I'm wearing it too because I wanted to let you guys know that it does really work. Like I said, was this a mascara? What was this? I don't know, because some of the products I started using, okay, because I wanted to talk about them. This was a face cleansing mask, yes, and it is a clay mask, and it was awesome. So that is that. I believe that's what was in there. I could be, you know, off a little bit, but that was the gist of it. Would I ever buy this Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar again? No, because I've already done it, and I don't want to repeat my life twice. So next year, I probably will want to go with the Dior advent calendar. If you guys enjoyed the Vlogmas, which was 12 days of Christmas, really. I didn't do from the 1st to the 25th or from whatever. I did from the 13th to the 25th. Is today the 25th? Yes, to Christmas. And that is it. If you enjoyed the vlogs, leave in the comment section. Girl, we enjoyed the vlogs. Maybe you should do a vlog once a week, once a month. I don't know. If you just, that's it, you guys. I can't think of any more. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys. And my dear,